Slider or the mini burger is an easy party fooder, and something that satisfies everyone. And you won't believe how simple it is to make. Just need to cook patties, then layer up fresh vegetables. So let's get going by now. First, season the meat with black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, and ketchup. Salt is not needed since all the seasonings have enough sodium. Mix them together and form them into slightly bigger than golf ball size. Tomatoes, lettuce, and cheese singles. I know some people hate the singles, but when it comes to burgers, nothing beats this cheese, really. We made our buns golden brown on stovetop with olive oil, so it won't go soggy and wet, and stay crispy for a longer time. Depending on what you like, spread mayonnaise or mustard, or whichever sauce you like. Now time for the patties. We're gonna do about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Press the meat down to form them into a shape we expect. One to 2 minutes before they come out, place cheese on meat then cover with lid, so it's gonna melt faster. A sunny side up egg, if you're a fan of gooey yolk running down the side. Enjoy your party and enjoy your evening.